Hey, there's one skill that professional photographers need, and without it, you're going to really, really struggle. And I don't know why nobody ever talks about it. And that's so I've arrived on site. Got here just before midday so that we get the best light. Trouble is, it's not just daytime shots. We've got to do nighttime shots too. Going to be a bit of waiting. Okay, now it's warm. I'm about to take the hat off. Well, the sun's out and we've finished shooting for the daytime pictures. And it's a beautiful day up here in Gateshead. And the good news is that just back there, Stewart is buying us fish and chips. Hey, fish and chips. Here he is. The great giver of something to eat, lunchtime, fish and chips. Oh, I've eaten too much. Whose idea was that, chips at lunchtime? Still, we have got 5 hours, I reckon, till we can take the evening shots. And we've got half an hour's downloading to do. That just leaves 4.5 hours. There were no cafes open, there were no restaurants open. COVID's locked them all down, so we are sitting in the car. And that's the thing that you're going to have to get used to as a photographer. That's the one thing that all good professional photographers have to get used to. Waiting. Waiting for the light. Waiting for the evening light. Waiting for the morning light. Waiting between jobs because it's not worth going back home or back to the office. Waiting. We've got to do the shots at night time, and it doesn't get dark until 7 o'clock, and it is, what time is it? 2 o'clock? 5 hours.
But while we're waiting, it's a great opportunity to do some drone shots. Get up there in that beautiful blue sky and get some panoramas over the job, and they look really good.
So what do you do when you've got 4 or 5 hours to lose on a job? Well, taking the local sites, obviously.
I couldn't resist taking this little snap of the Angel of the North statue. Okay, I had to come back and get creative with the sky.
The joys of professional photography, eh? Editing in the back seat of a car. And I still reckon we've got another 2 hours yet till it goes dark. Still waiting, but we have got Percy Pigs. Yeah, hello, it's me. No, I'm still waiting for the sun to go down. Bored. Come on, sunshine, go away. Stewart is willing the lights to come on as we speak. He's saying, oh look, the lights are coming on. But it's not, look, it's still light. He's getting his camera ready. He's ready for action. Because as you can see, the night time is about to descend. Not. Finally, the sun's gone down and it's getting darker. Only a little bit, but the lights are starting to come on in the buildings now. The cameras are out ready. You know, you only have a little half an hour window when you get that blue zone, that blue, they call it the blue hour, but it's not an hour. When you're photographing buildings in the evening, you're looking at about 15 minutes, 20 at a push, of that beautiful sort of rich blue light, where you've got all the nice yellow lights inside the building, the tungsten lights, and you've got the blue light in the sky. So You got to be ready for it. Are you ready? He's got his jacket on. Well, it's 10 to 8 and the building is starting to look good now. I reckon another 10 or 15 minutes and the light will be just perfect. And there you go, all things come to those that wait. We've got the pictures that we need. We're doing the nighttime drone shots now. Well, after a day's shooting, we finally get to the end of the shoot and we get that lovely blue light that we need. We're just losing it now. As you can see, it's going a little bit dark, but it was well worth it. And then we're all ready to head south.
Well, we're on the motorway on the way home and we should be back by 2 a.m. That's a 17-hour day and we were probably shooting pictures for just 2 hours of that. There are many skills that a professional photographer needs to have, but one of them has to be patience.